feeling kind of freakishly hyped for today's leg day, which is something that doesn't happen too frequently. Because, I mean, it's not like training chest or back or your arms or something. But I think you do have more variety. But I do think you have more variety when it comes to training legs. I mean, you can do presses, curls, extensions, raises, and so on. So, you know what? Let's not yap too much. Let's get into that workout. Get a good leg pump, do some posing, and call this a day. Okay. So we just settled into seated leg curls. Now I really like this machine because you can kind of spot yourself when it's getting hard. Now you can do the same thing on the lying. I don't really have a preference, but it's just good to switch things up sometimes. So today I'm doing the seated ones. Maybe next time I'm going to be doing the lying. I think they're both kind of the same of stimulation wise. But yeah, we're just going to do this set and then move over to probably leg press. Also going to do some sumo deadlifts. Pretty hyped for that. But let's stop yapping and start doing the set. About this is, as I just did, it's kind of easier to do partials than on the line, so that's probably a plus point for that. While on the line, you may have a better extension. But yeah, pretty crazy set. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, warm up done? Okay. So we just finished with our warm up and we're gonna do 100 kilograms for a couple of reps on these. We're trying not to do too many reps. Just hit the sweet spot. And yeah, I'm using the lifting belt for this because sometimes it kind of hurts, and I also tore my lat quite a while ago. So let's do this set. My hands kept sweating, so I have to rearrange them. I think I'm going to use straps in the second set. So we're about to hit that second set. Again, using a lifting belt plus straps, so fully equipped for this one. It should not be a single reason for this to not go well.
Got off the wires when I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you.
I think my hands are just a little too sweaty, or it's the bar. A pretty solid set. I think we did more reps than usual, so I'm happy with that. Let's move on to the next exercise. So we've just moved up to the last exercise of today's leg day, leg press. And I've loaded up 3 plates per side, plus the weight of the machine. That's 195 kilograms, and it shouldn't be too light and also not too heavy. It should work just fine for about 10 reps. But let's see what we can do with this.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
Okay, so I put 1 plate, so half a plate per side on top, so 215, because I think it was a little too light in that last set, so this should hit that perfect spot. So this set.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies.
Okay, so overall pretty freaky leg session, but let's do the posing. Oof. Pretty darn freaky leg day. Nice pump. So did some sumos. I haven't done those like a long time ago, but they felt so good. And I didn't do extensions today because I replaced them with the sumos, but that's just all right. Now, plan for the rest of the day. We just got our leg day done. We have eaten enough carbs today, so far I think we're at about 80 grams of carbs, 60 grams of protein, something like that. So protein wise, we still have something to do, which is what we're going to be doing right now. And then after that, I've actually got a little basketball game to attend to, so I'm going to film that plus cardio in the evening. We're going to go running again. I think last time I did about 8 kilometers. Today we're going to try and do 10. Have this kind of steady pace of going up in the amount of kilometers I do every time I go running. So yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited for this summer, because I'm actually going to Thailand and I'm going to film the whole thing, make a huge freaking vlog, and my only mission right now is to get shredded until then. I've got, I think, 3 months time. So only thing on the agenda is get shredded, as much as you can in 3 months, right? It should be doable. I gotta lose about 4 extra kilos. I've already done 4. And well, yeah, I'm just super hyped also on how the physique is gonna evolve over the course of this channel in particular. But without further ado, let's get home, get something in our systems, and attend a basketball game.